I went a little bit crazy with the birthday presents for myself, to myself. Hi, I'm Becca. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I talk about all things beauty, my birthmark, and everything in between. So today we are talking about my birthday. I just had my 30th birthday and I went a little bit crazy with the birthday presents for myself, to myself. But today's video, I'm going to show you what I got and then also give you some tips on how to get luxury for less, because who does not want to save a little coin, right? I just want to start out by saying nobody is paying me to say this. I have paid for all these items on my own, but these are just some of the ways that I like to either save money or get a good discount. So let's get into it. So the way I save money with these is I earn cash back through Rakuten. If you don't have a Rakuten account, definitely go get one. It's free to create, and basically all you do is shop through their links, and then various days, different sites earn various amounts of cash back on your purchases. And so you can really rack up the money real quick. And like I said, it's free to use. It's not like a credit card or anything. You just simply earn cash back by using their link and their website. And then it gets like paid out to like your PayPal or your account or however you choose to get it. So the first present I got myself are these Nike shoes that I've been wanting, a good pair of like casual shoes that are going to be good for walking around in and being comfortable, but also cute, you know what I mean? So let me show you what I got. So I got these shoes here. So they're this really pretty like beige color. They're all leather, which I personally love. It's got this nice little stripe detail there. It's got this little leather piece here on the back that says Nike, and then there's the inside of the shoe. It's got a rounded toe, and I got mine in a 5.5. I am normally like a 6, pretty true to size, but I do find that Nike runs a little bit big, and so yeah, these I got in a 5.5, and these were, I believe, like $90. I usually also, from Nike, here's another helpful hint. If you're purchasing from Nike and you are up to a size, I believe it goes up to even maybe an 8. I could be wrong, but for sure a 7 in women's. Buy children's sizes if you can, because number one, you're going to save money because it's kids. And then number two, they have, like I said, I believe it's up to a size 8. So in kids shoes, I'm actually like a 4 youth, because that's equivalent to the 6 in women's. So just a little helpful hint for you, but I've saved quite a bit of money doing it that way. And that's across various websites so too, but especially with Nike, I do find that that works. Anyways, here are the shoes. So cute. I love these. Next up, I'm going to be talking about how we can save money on luxury goods. Yes, you heard me right. You can actually save money on luxury items, which was something I didn't really know until a few years ago. Until I discovered Lux Hunt. Lux Hunt is a woman who started this app. I wish I knew her name. I need to like message her and ask her name. Lux Hunt though started an app basically where she gives links to designer sale items, and there's everything from clothing to shoes to bags, etc. And it's amazing because all the sites are authentic. They're all like new items, I believe, for the most part, that she links to. And yeah, you can get really, really good deals. So we are going to get into what I got because of Lux Hunt. Now, obviously they are luxury items, so they still are not going to be cheap, so to speak, but getting a discount and getting, you know, hundreds of dollars off, even in some cases, is obviously really nice. So first item I have here is this box from PRADA. I believe these shoes retailed for like $950, but I got them on sale for like $350. So they are these chunky, like Jesus sandals is the best way I can describe them. They got this really cushiony material that the actual sandal part is made out of, and then they have a cute little like thick lug sole. These are very comfortable. I love these. And this is like, when I buy luxury, I try and buy items that I know that I'm going to wear over and over and over again, and I'm actually going to use them. I don't buy luxury items very often. Like I said, it was my 30th birthday. I went kind of all out for my 30th birthday, but I also made sure I got a deal in the process. So yeah, these sandals, I absolutely love them. They're so comfortable and super cute. Go with basically everything. The perfect like casual summer sandal. Next up are these Cult Gaia shoes. These were a steal. I think I got them for like $175, and they're originally like $400, $500 shoes. So these shoes are like really trendy, if you will, but they are still shoes that I'm gonna get a lot of use out of, I feel like. So here is the shoe. It is so cute. I love the architectural piece of like this like heel. I think it's so cool and unique. And again, like I said, it is a little bit more of a trendy kind of piece, but it's something that I don't feel like is gonna go out of style. I'm not gonna wanna wear again, because it is just really cool, very unique shoe. It's got a square toe front, and then just kind of like this nice little, I don't even know, I want to say braided, but that's not braided. But yeah, I love these. I think they're so cool and unique, and just something I'm going to be able to wear over and over again. This was another find I found from Luxe Hunt. This is from Fendi, and I got a serious steal on this. Okay, so obviously, like I said, still expensive. It is still a luxury designer item, but I do find that a lot of times the sites that Luxe Hunt links to are kind of over in Europe, and they typically have lower prices than they do here, just because I think that that's where the goods are made, so that's why they're less expensive than they are here. Sometimes you have to pay what are called VAT taxes on them, so basically like import taxes to get them sent over here. It's usually, depending on the item, it kind of varies in cost. So this particular item I did have to pay VAT taxes on, import taxes on. However, I still got a really good deal on this bag, and again, it's something I'm going to be using for a very long time. So here she is in all her glory, this beautiful baguette from Fendi. This is normally like a $3,000 bag plus, and I got it for $1,400 after the discount, and then taxes added on like another $100, and so it was like it came out to like around $1,500. But I also saved a little extra money on this because of Honey, which is another link similar to Rakuten. You can earn cash back with it, but you also can use it to figure out, like, it'll search for coupons on the internet to see if there are coupons for the website you're purchasing from. So it was already discounted, and then I saved money on top of that, which is amazing. So here is the bag. She's this really pretty like pinky nude color with gold hardware. So she can be either worn as a double little shoulder bag here like that. She can be worn long and then cross body. She fits me. I am 5 foot. She could also be worn, you know, you could tuck the strap in and wear it as like more of a clutch. And then you can also grab some little clips. I ordered mine on Amazon. I haven't received them yet, but basically to make it so that you can clip this inside so it'll stay then, because obviously right now this moves. So you basically just clip this strap on and tuck it in, and then you can use it as just a little top handle bag. So once you open it up, she's like a little magnetic closure, and she just has one big pocket, but this is just a perfect like everyday bag, evening bag, whatever you need. And then there's one little zip pocket back there. I'm obsessed with her. She is cute. I will say I do have to be a little bit more careful with this one because of color transfer, because you can have issues with that. However, I did get this really good cleaner, which I will put in another video maybe on how I clean and like upkeep my bags. If you are interested, let me know down below, because I found a couple of really good products for that. So anyways, here is the cute little Fendi baguette that I got. So the last way that I can suggest on how you can save money is to buy pre-loved. So I got this bag off of Rebag, and I'm going to blame Miss Fashionika or Nika on TikTok for this purchase because I saw the bag and she had it in stock, but like her, if you know who she is, her stuff sells out like that, and unfortunately this bag sold out. But I found it on Rebag, and I found it actually, well, you'll see here in a minute. The one she had was canvas. This one is leather, and I actually like this one better. So with buying pre-loved, you want to be able to do your research a little bit. If you don't really know know much about luxury, I'm not sure if it would be my first suggestion to you. Also, another thing to look out for is the pre-loved market can be outrageously priced with items. So be sure that if you are looking for a bag and it is a bag that is currently in stock and in season, or like, you know, within the past couple of seasons even, be sure to check out places like I said, Luxe Hunt, because a lot of times those bags are cheaper, brand new from some of these websites that she gives out, rather than paying more money for a pre-loved one. Doesn't make sense. Anyways, I digress. So let me show you this bag. This bag is literally so cool. My cost per wear, and that's like one thing I really think about, is my cost per wear. How much is it going to cost me out after all the wear I get out of it, right? And so the cost per wear on this one is already, she's already doing real well because I've been using this bag literally every day. This one happened to come with the dust bag. Not all of them do. So it is actually another Fendi bag, and it's another Fendi baguette, but it's a little bit more unique. And this bag I love because you can literally wear it so many different ways. It's amazing. So here is this Fendi baguette. It's got this cool like embossed print that kind of fades as it comes over to the other side. And yeah, and again, it's a baguette, so it's just got that one big open pocket. Perfect size for me personally for everyday use. You can see all my crap in there. I've got my like YSL card holder and everything. Again, a little magnetic closure. So here's number one way you can hold it, is you can use it as like a cute little like clutch. Now let me show you. So yeah, so it has this other strap here that you can either wear crossbody, and again I'll insert some video here, or you can make it shorter or longer. As you can see, there's an adjustable strap here, which is really nice as well. The other thing is it does have this back pocket here that does also have a magnetic closure, so it's really nice to just stick your phone in there. Your phone definitely fits in there. So this came to me in what was called very good condition. So it's one step down from excellent. There were some scuff marks up here, but I was able to clean them out with some leather cleaner. There are definitely some scratches on the hardware a little bit, which is normal wear and tear. I'm not worried about that, but it was actually in really, really good condition if you ask me. The last way that you can wear this bag is really cool. So let me just show you. As you can see here, I'm sure you saw when I just showed you, is there's these two little tabs on the back, and you actually can just pull those tabs out. So let me just, now what would those tabs be for? Let me show you. So here is the second strap that you're able to use. And yes, like you guessed it, I'm sure by now, is this actually turns into a belt bag or a fanny pack, if you will, which is really cool. Again, it just gives a different vibe than like this strap does. This is a little bit more, you could dress this up, you could, you know, but this gives it a more like casual, cool vibe, I guess. What you do is with the strap, got these little buttons here, and then you just thread it through, and then you just snap it closed, and there you have a little belt bag that you're able to adjust how short, long, etc. that you make it. It even obviously it clips apart. I love that it has a little Fendi logo on the back there. So I have been wearing it a lot as a crossbody bag because I think it's super cute. Again, I'll insert some video here. But obviously you can also wear it as a belt bag. So yeah, that is my last item. So that was my birthday haul. I hope you enjoyed it and you were able to see how to score some luxury for less, which is always nice. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and let me know what you have on your birthday list. I want to hear it all. I will see you in the next one. Bye.